In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the SVG not allowed to upload this file type issue in WordPress Elementor. Now, in order to fix this, you first need to head over to Elementor option and create an account by clicking onto this Get Started option right here in order to get started or create an account. Now, if you already have one, just head over and click onto this login option that we can see right here. Now, you can also head over to WordPress.com since we will use WordPress to host our Elementor. Click onto this Get Started in order to create an account, or click onto this Login in order to log into one. Since I already have an account, let me head over and log into that. I have in here this website that I have created using WordPress Elementor, and I have in here this image. So for example, you can click onto this Choose Image, and let's try to upload an SVG file. Click onto this Select File option. And then from in there, just select in here the download option that we want. So let's locate that. So I have in here this file, which is actually an SVG file. Let's click on open right here. As you can see, it wasn't uploaded. So in order to upload it, what we can do is we first need to head over right here to our actual dashboard. And then from in there, we just need to navigate to Elementor and then head over to the settings option. Once on your settings, you just need to head over right here to the advanced tab. And then from in there, you can see in here this. So as you can see, we can enable unfiltered file uploads. Click onto this right here and enable this. Click onto this save changes. And then once you have done that, head over right here to your page. Make sure to refresh it. Now let's head back right here into this image. Click on this and choose image. Click on select file option and let's select the file as sphere again. Click on open. And as you can see, it's now being uploaded and we're now allowed to upload this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.